channel. Today we are going to be preparing ice cream, vanilla ice cream precisely, with condensed milk. So I'm going to be using 40 grams each, so two of them, the two sachets is 80 grams. So I'm going to be using 80 grams of whipping cream. So I'm going to be using 300 grams of milk, so just to whip the cream. Then I'm going to be using half cup of condensed milk. I actually prepared this condensed milk by myself, so I have a video on this, so you check out on the video so you will know how you can make this condensed milk at home. So let's get started. First step is just to open this. This is our powdered whipping cream. So I'm going to just pour in the cold milk. Please, the milk has to be cold. I'm going to put the cold milk. Okay, then I will whip in a low key. I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla is very important for this recipe because it is vanilla ice cream. Will be to add our condensed milk. continue to stir this till we are very sure that it has incorporated with the whipping cream. So that's it, my people. The ice cream is almost ready. Almost ready. Okay, see? So in condensed milk, you don't need to add extra sugar, or else it will be too sugary. So we are going to transfer it in a container. We will put it straight to the freezer. This is our ice cream. See how fluffy it is. So we are going to cover it. So we are going to put it in the freezer this way, and you leave it in the freezer maximum of 8 hours and minimum of 6 hours. It should be ready then, but I'm going to leave mine all through the night. Okay, hi guys. This is our ice cream. See? This is so light, so fluffy, that's so nice. So I'm going to scoop it out. Here is it. Look at the depth here. So here is our vanilla ice cream. I wanted to give this a trial, give it a shot, and tell me how your own taste in the comment section. Okay, let me just have a taste and I will tell you how it tastes. This is so sweet, so yummy. Alright then, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Thank you so much and God bless you. See you in our next video.